Welcome to this tutorial on the Payment Voucher feature in ChequeSystem software. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to create and customize a payment voucher linked to your checks. In ChequeSystem, in addition to creating and printing checks, you can also create a payment voucher linked to the check. The payment voucher provides details about the check payment and can be sent to the payee. To create a payment voucher, simply click the Payment Voucher button at the top of the check window. This will open the Payment Voucher window. In the Payment Voucher window, the check information will be automatically populated. You can enter the pay-to address and provide item details. You can click the Load Item button to select from a predefined item list, or input item details manually. The total amount will be calculated automatically. If the total amount in the payment voucher does not match the check amount, an alert dialog will be displayed. Additionally, in the payment voucher, you can include notes and specify signature boxes at the bottom of the voucher. Once the voucher is complete, you can use the toolbar icon to preview or print your voucher. The format and layout of the payment voucher can be customized to suit your business needs. In the main screen of ChequeSystem, navigate to Settings menu and select Payment Voucher. There are various options for customizing the payment voucher, including header, footer, numbering, font type, paper size, and layout. For example, you may select layout and paper size for the payment voucher. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found the payment voucher feature helpful.